Hello and welcome back. Today we will talk about the Apple Card. In 2019, Apple launched the Apple Card, which is an Apple branded credit card that's linked to the Apple Pay and built right into the Wallet app. And it also has great cashback system, which I will talk about later. This is a digital card that comes as a titanium physical card as well if you'd like. As with all Apple products announcements and really all credit cards, the important question to ask yourself, is this product right for you? Well, let's talk about some of the Apple Card features. One of the best features is how secure the card is. The physical titanium Apple Card that you can get does not have any identifying marks on there other than your name and Apple logo. So there's no signature, card number, expiration date, or even the CVV code. That means people can't get to your information even if you would lose your card. Not only is this aesthetically pleasing, but it would potentially keep you a bit safer from fraud. The less information about you and your finances that can fall into the hands of strangers, the better. The card number of your Apple Card is accessible in the Wallet app on your iPhone and stored securely. It cannot be accessed by anyone, and every time you make a purchase, that purchase meets your unique device number as well as unique transaction code that is generated at the time of purchase. In fact, you don't even have to get the physical card if you don't want to. You can use just the digital one in your Wallet app. Another nice feature is that Apple promises no fees on the Apple Card. That means no annual fees, no fee for foreign transactions, which I find very useful, or no late fees. Late fees, I mean, that's good, but those interest rates will apply anyways if your payment is late. And you obviously want to avoid any late fees and put your money towards something better. But even if that's important for you, Apple mentions that the interest rates will be the lowest in the industry. Also, unlike other credit cards, Apple Card even tells you how much interest you will end up paying if you won't be paying the full amount. So if you are looking for an easy card, no fees, this could be an option for you. The next great feature is the Apple Rewards program, where instead of giving you any points or rewards at the end of the month, Apple just gives you cash every time you spend your card. For example, you get Uber, use a card, and you're immediately getting cash back from your purchase there in your Wallet app. And of course, you can send that cash straight to your bank account at any time, which I also like. The amount of cashback changes based on how you pay and what you buy. So if you make a purchase with Apple Pay, you will get 2% cashback. But if you make a purchase with the physical Apple Card, then you will get 1% cashback. That is to encourage you to use Apple Pay, since it is a more safer way to shop than carrying around a physical card, which can always get lost and used by someone else. Then you can also get 3% cashback only if you use Apple Pay for select purchases here, including Apple products. So now another question arises. Should you get the Apple Card, and how difficult that can be if you want to get it? So the Apple Card is a good credit card that's worth it for people with good credit or who regularly buy Apple products and services, as well as for iPhone, Mac, and iWatch users who are comfortable making purchases using Apple Pay. This is because there are alternatives to Apple Card that offer 2% cashback as well. That's very standard to cards that are out there. And I would have preferred even higher cashback, like 5% from Apple Card on Apple purchases, because this is not that exciting, to be honest. But if you are a consistent and loyal customer of Apple, then 3% might be beneficial for you. You can also look at both sides, whether it's worth opening a new credit card and getting another credit inquiry on your credit report in order to get those cash rewards. I think you just have to make a decision there on what will benefit you the most in this situation. Also, I should mention that depending on your overall creditworthiness, the interest rate that you're assigned could be anywhere from a low of 10.99 to 21.99% at the most. and the average credit card offer currently has a regular APR of roughly 18%. So keep that in mind. Apple Card does provide smaller interest rates, as you can see. But again, try to stay away from the late payments and interest rates because that will lower your credit score. I've never once paid a cent in interest to any company and never intend to. So please stay motivated, spend more money on yourself rather than on banks, and don't let interest rates lower your credit score. I saved a ton of money and increased my credit score so fast just by following simple steps, and you can do that too by watching my video on how to increase your credit score fast. I linked this video in the description down below. Overall, that's what Apple Card currently has to offer and much more that I did not cover, and they definitely made a few small changes over the past 2-3 years that have made this card a little bit better. That's all for now. I would love to hear your thoughts on the Apple Card down in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. You can support me by hitting the like button and subscribing to this channel. We will see you at the next one.